করে দেখাবো। আমাদের শিক্ষার্থীরা শুধু আরবি নয়, আরবি, ইংরেজি, বাংলা এবং সব সাবজেক্টে তারা পারদর্শী। Dear present, at this moment I like to invite Asadullah Al-Ghalib as a student of our madrasa to deliver English speech of his identification of our.
Assalamualaikum. Introduce myself. My name is Ghalib. My father's name is Aminul Islam. He is a staff Ramaypur Islamia Dakhil Madrasa. My mother's name is Alia Parvin. She is a teacher, Paduk Brak Primary School. I am a student. I read in class 5. I read in Madrasa. My Madrasa name is Darul Hadith Academy Madrasa Baghdad. I love my Madrasa very much. My village name Baghdad. Post office Chandash. Police station Mahadevpur. District Naugat. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.